Welcome back to the story of the 7 YouTube pups. For several nights, wolves have been circling their tiny den, and now a heavy snowstorm is approaching fast. We had no choice but to move the puppies to safety. To prove the authenticity and the exact moment this rescue took place, we wrote today's date, December 5th, 2025, on paper so you can clearly see it during filming. What happened next was unbelievable. Stay with us.